Daily AI News. Headlines for July 3, 26. A recent Apple study examines reinforcement learning fine-tuned vision language models. RL fine-tuning boosts visual reasoning benchmarks but introduces vulnerabilities. Simple textual perturbations, like misleading captions or incorrect chain-of-thought traces, cause accuracy and confidence drops. Open-source models suffer more than closed ones, revealing a shortcoming in current open-source RL fine-tuning. The research shows an accuracy-faithfulness trade-off. Fine-tuning raises benchmark scores, but erodes reasoning reliability. Adversarial augmentation improves robustness but not faithfulness drift. A new paper challenges a core AI training assumption. Every layer of an LLM must be updated during reinforcement learning. The study Is one layer enough? Finds training just one transformer layer can match or surpass full parameter RL. They introduced layer contribution to measure improvement per layer. Across 7 Qwen 3 and Qwen 2.5 models, using GRPO, GIGPO, Dr. GRPO on math, code, and agentic tasks, RL gains concentrate in a small subset of layers, often just one in the middle. Input-output layers contribute far less. This could cut post-training costs, as updating one layer is far cheaper. Apple researchers introduced Ctrl-R, a framework using reinforcement learning to teach large language models structured reasoning. Its key innovation is tractable trajectory control, guiding models to explore diverse reasoning patterns during training, overcoming standard RL's failure to guarantee diverse behaviors. Ctrl-R uses important sampling with power scaling to learn from exploratory trajectories while maintaining stable optimization. Experiments showed improved performance on mathematical reasoning tasks, e.g., GSM-8K, math, for both language and vision language models, though specific scores were undisclosed. GLM 5.2 and Claude Opus 4.8, two leading AI coding models from mid-2026, are compared. GLM 5.2, Z.AI, is a 744B parameter MO model with 40B active parameters per token, costing $4.40 per M output tokens versus Opus 4.8's $25, 5.7x cheaper. Both support 1M token context. Opus handles images/PDFs, GLM is text only. Opus leads on NL2 repo, 69.7% versus 48.9%, and SWE Marathon, 26% versus 13%, but GLM is close on Frontier SWE, 74.4% versus 75.1%, and wins on AIME 2026, 99.2% versus 95.7%. GLM's weights are open, MIT license. Opus is proprietary. For cost and openness, GLM offers near-frontier performance cheaply. For hardest agentic coding, Opus remains top. On July 2, 2026, Together AI announced an $800 million Series C funding round, valuing the company at $8.3 billion. This brings its total disclosed funding to $800 million. Together AI builds an enterprise platform that enables organizations to adopt open-source AI models instead of relying on closed model providers. The company targets businesses seeking more control, flexibility, and choice in AI deployment. Its key differentiator is its open-source orientation amid growing enterprise demand for alternatives to closed AI systems. Headquartered in San Francisco, Together AI has raised a single funding round to date. As AI moves from model development to production inference, compute demand is accelerating and shifting toward continuously operating AI factories that generate tokens at scale. This shift requires access to large-scale, multi-tenant accelerated computing that can come online quickly, stay highly utilized, and support the economics of token-scale AI services. Emerging AI companies historically have had limited access to capital-intensive infrastructure, with even long-term commitments insufficient to unlock financing for compute. To address this, NVIDIA is introducing a new business model that opens up compute access to the fast-growing AI. Mistral AI released Mistral Small 4, the first model unifying reasoning, multimodal understanding, and agentic coding in one architecture. Using a mixture of experts design with 128 experts and 4 active per token, it has 119B total parameters but only 6B active per forward pass. Released under Apache 2.0 with a 256K context window. A configurable reasoning _effort parameter toggles between fast responses and deep chain of thought reasoning. It achieves competitive scores against GPT-OSS 120B on benchmarks like AALCR and LiveCode Bench while generating shorter outputs. Available via the Mistral API with OpenAI-compatible endpoints. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe to stay updated. And turn on notifications so you never miss out. Let us know in the comments what you think about this video. See you tomorrow for the next daily AI news.